Have you ever dreamed of exploring the world while leaving nothing but footprints behind? Today we're diving into the exciting sphere of sustainable travel, making smarter choices that not only enhance your adventure, but also protect our planet. From reducing your carbon footprint to supporting local communities, sustainable tourism is about experiencing the world in a way that respects the economics, social fabric, and environment of every destination. Join us as we uncover practical tips and inspiring stories that show how you can travel responsible and make a positive impact wherever you go. Let's begin the journey together. The world deserves a little love, and so do you. Transportation. When we discuss the world of sustainable travel, have you ever wondered how transportation plays a pivotal role? It's fascinating to explore how various modes of transport are designed to minimize social and environmental impacts. What makes one way of traveling more sustainable than another? Transportation sustainability is primarily assessed through the effectiveness and efficiency of systems, along with their environmental and climate impacts. A staggering 90% of the world's carbon emissions stem from burning fossil fuels, primarily for transportation, electricity, and heating. In 2022, most fossil fuel carbon emissions came from coal, oil, natural gas, cement, and other smaller sources. Around 85% of global CO2 emissions are from fossil fuels, with transportation accounting for approximately 20 to 25% of global energy use and carbon dioxide emissions. Sustainable transport systems contribute positively to the environment, society, and economy. They aim to maintain tourism without harming natural and cultural environments, striking a balance between the benefits of travel and the need to reduce or eliminate its negatives. For example, packing less and traveling lighter can significantly decrease the likelihood of having to dispose of items. If you do fly, it's essential to recognize the disparity in carbon emissions between aircraft and the operating procedures of airlines. Utilizing online tools, such as the Greener Choices label on search results provided by flight search engines like Skyscanner, can help you identify flights with below-average emissions. In 2024, urban mobility transcends simply getting from point A to point B. It's about charting a course towards sustainability. Public transportation systems are evolving into powerhouses of energy efficiency, outpacing personal vehicles in transporting passengers with lower fuel consumption. This shift not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions, but also fosters a cleaner, healthier environment. So it's essential to choose eco-friendly travel destinations. Cities worldwide are embracing electric buses and trains, harnessing renewable energy sources. These low-emission systems are setting new standards, emitting significantly fewer pollutants than their diesel counterparts. Imagine gliding through a city on a sleek electric bus, knowing your journey contributes to cleaner air and a smaller carbon footprint. Rail systems, especially those powered by renewable energy, present a compelling alternative to traditional diesel trains. When these trains operate on electricity generated from wind, solar, or hydropower, they significantly curb emissions and enhance urban air quality. As cities transition to public transportation options that prioritize renewable energy, they not only reduce their reliance on oil and gas, but also pave the way for energy independence and resilience. This transformation benefits the environment and fosters a sense of community, encouraging more people to embrace public transit and the connectivity it provides. In this new era of travel, every bus ride or train journey can be a step toward a greener, more sustainable future. The choice is clear. The road ahead is electric, leading us to a brighter tomorrow. Reusable items. Have you ever wondered how traveling light could not only simplify your journey, but also make a positive impact on the planet? Breezing through airport security without the hassle of heavy luggage, knowing that every ounce you leave behind contributes to reduced fuel consumption and lower greenhouse gas emissions. It's a win-win. But how do you maintain comfort during those long-haul flights without lugging around a mountain of gear? Enter the world of reusable travel comfort items. Ingenious solutions that combine convenience and sustainability. For instance, instead of wrestling with a bulky neck pillow, blanket, and a host of accessories, why not embrace a foldable microfiber blanket that morphs into a pillow, seat cushion, or lumbar support? It's a clever way to travel light and ensure comfort, whether you're on a plane, train, or road trip. And the journey doesn't stop there. From reusable grocery bags that help you shop sustainably to solar-powered chargers that harness the sun's energy during your adventures, the the possibilities are endless. As more cities move away from plastic, these eco-friendly alternatives not only save you money, but also help you stay true to your green mindset. Traveling often tempts us with quick snacks at gas stations or airports, but have you ever thought about the hidden costs of those convenient bites? The next time you find yourself eyeing a single-serve item, consider this. What if your food choices could be both delicious and eco-friendly? Transforming your travel meals into an exciting adventure with just a bit of pre-planning. Instead of defaulting to plastic-wrapped snacks, how about packing your treats in collapsible silicone containers? Not only are they lightweight and durable, but they also whisper a promise of sustainability, unlike those flimsy plastic options that can leach harmful chemicals and litter our planet. And here's a quirky twist. Replace those plastic sandwich bags with beeswax wraps. These wraps not only keep your snacks fresh, but also add a touch of whimsy to your travel routine. Have you ever tried street food in a new city? It's a culinary treasure trove. Elevate that experience by bringing along a reusable set of cutlery. A sleek bamboo travel set can spark conversations while drastically reducing the plastic waste that usually accompanies takeout. Try local. When you choose locally owned accommodations, dine at independent restaurants, and buy locally made products, you're doing so much more than just checking items off your travel list. You're directly supporting families, artisans, and entrepreneurs in the places you visit. Sinking into a cozy bed at a family-run guest house instead of a big hotel chain, or savoring a dish made from fresh ingredients sourced right from the local market. Each dollar spent has the potential to create ripples of positive change. Let's talk about a fantastic initiative called I Like Local. Founded by the inspiring Saneh Majboom, this organization connects travelers like you with authentic experiences led by local guides in 19 countries across Asia and Africa. Saneh puts it perfectly. Many locals aren't benefiting from tourism in their own countries. Bridge that gap. By booking through I Like Local, you're not just exploring a new culture, you're ensuring that 100% of the money goes directly to the local host. It's a win-win. You gain an unforgettable experience, and they gain a sustainable. Now let's hop over to Colombia and shine a light on Impulse. This tour company has a mission that's as beautiful as the landscapes they explore. Founder Nicola Kelch explains, "We're creating experiences travelers love while actively involving local communities striving for peace." Impulse harnesses the power of tourism to break the cycles of poverty. Each tour isn't just an adventure, it's a step toward economic and cultural empowerment, helping communities rise one tour at a time. So, how can you get involved? Next time you travel, seek out local experiences. Eat where the locals eat, shop where they shop, and engage in activities that support the community. Your choices can transform not just your journey, but also the lives of those you meet along the way. So let's travel with purpose and make our adventures meaningful. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow travelers. Not finished yet. Book eco-friendly accommodations. Ever wondered how your choice of where to stay can impact the planet? So, what exactly are eco-conscious accommodations? Think of them as the superheroes of the hospitality world. These places are dedicated to reducing their environmental impact through innovative green practices. That means less waste, energy conservation, and mindful water usage. It's like stepping into a sanctuary that cares for the earth. Now, how do you know if a hotel is truly eco-friendly? Let's uncover some fascinating clues together. First up, check if the hotel has a sustainability policy on its website. This document is like a treasure map, revealing their green goals and initiatives. Next, look for unique environmental practices. Do they have an on-site garden that supplies fresh veggies to the restaurant? Or maybe rooftop beehives buzzing away? How about amenities that are completely free from single-use plastics? These details tell you they're committed. Third, explore their community connections. Sustainable accommodations often hire local staff and support local artisans. It's a win-win. You get authentic experiences, and local communities thrive. Lastly, how do they encourage guest involvement? Look for hotels offering reusable water bottles, bike rentals, or experiences that support local businesses. Imagine the adventures waiting for you while making a positive impact. So, as you plan your next getaway, let your curiosity lead the way. Choosing eco-conscious accommodations not only enhances your travel experience, but also helps you protect our planet. As we wrap up our journey into the world of sustainable travel, remember that every choice you make can create a ripple effect, impacting not just your adventure, but also the places and people you encounter along the way. Whether it's opting for eco-friendly transportation, packing reusable items, supporting local businesses, choosing sustainable accommodations, each small step contributes to a healthier planet and a more meaningful travel experience. So the next time you set out on an adventure, think about the legacy that you want to leave behind. Let's travel with purpose, embracing the beauty of our world while preserving it for future generations.